Since the Revolutionary War, at least one member in every generation of my family has served in the U.S. military. One family member, my great-great-grandfather, Daniel, several generations back, served with General Washington under the first national flag adopted by the Continental Congress on June 14th, 1777, to promote national pride and unity. The stars were arranged in a circle to show that each of the 13 states were equal. Charles Thomson, the Secretary of the Continental Congress in 1782, wrote, "White signifies purity and innocence, red hardiness and valor, and blue signifies vigilance, perseverance, and justice." For my Revolutionary War ancestor, the flag represented a bright hope for the future. When my great-great-grandfather, a widower, left his small farm and son to serve in World War I, Old Glory had 48 states, the same flag my great-grandfather served under during World War II. For them, the flag represented sacrifice to preserve the present. By the time my grandfather served during the Vietnam War, the Stars and Stripes had 50 stars, the same flag my father and brothers have served under in the Army, and the flag I serve under as a Civil Air Patrol cadet. For us, the flag represents honor and pride in the history of our country and our dedication to preserving it for future generations. To me, the red represents the blood of our service members, the cost of our freedom. White represents the purity of America's core values and our vigilance to protect the innocent, while blue signifies our nation's unwavering determination to remain free. A 2022 White House proclamation says, "People across the globe look to our flag as a guiding symbol of freedom, opportunity, and hope." Like the stitches binding it, our flag unifies us, signifying our past, present, and future.